Welcome back to Technology in the Future. As the drone world buzzes with excitement, all eyes are now locked on one upcoming release that could redefine what ultralight aerial cinematography is capable of: the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. With fresh leaks, regulatory filings, and industry whispers pointing to a potential announcement around August 7th, it looks like DJI is preparing to raise the bar once again in the compact drone space. Let's dive into everything we know so far, from new specs and design innovations to camera upgrades and smart flight features, and break down why this drone may be the most significant Mini release yet. A new era for Mini-class drones. DJI appears to be taking a bold step forward with the Mini 5 Pro, aiming to maintain the critical sub-250 grams classification. This weight limit keeps drone usage simple and accessible in many regions, avoiding registration requirements while still delivering high-end functionality. What's creating serious buzz is DJI's rumored attempt to fit LiDAR-based obstacle detection and full omnidirectional sensing into this micro form factor. These technologies are typically reserved for larger enterprise-level drones. Seeing them here could mark a major leap in portable drone intelligence. Game-changing camera upgrade. Perhaps the most impressive potential upgrade is the 1-inch CMOS sensor, replacing the Mini 4 Pro's 1.3 sensor. A sensor of this size in a micro drone is rare, and it means significantly better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and more detailed footage in challenging conditions like sunrise, sunset, or cloudy landscapes. This enhancement opens the door for professional-level footage from a drone you can literally fit in your pocket. Precision navigation with LiDAR and 360 obstacle avoidance. Several sources suggest that DJI is integrating LiDAR-enhanced navigation alongside complete 360-degree obstacle sensing. This includes forward, rear, downward, and possibly even lateral vision sensors. Such a system would allow smarter autonomous flight, safer navigation in tight indoor spaces, and enhanced subject tracking, making it ideal for creators, travelers, and even professionals needing high-safety automated flight capabilities. Redesigned from the ground up unlike the last few generations, this model may feature a completely new frame design, created specifically to accommodate the additional internals, while staying under the weight threshold. This signals a reimagining of what's possible in small drone architecture, emphasizing better cooling, space efficiency, and integration of advanced components. Long-lasting power, battery, and charging upgrades. Leaks point to a substantial 3,350 mAh battery, which could push total flight time toward 50 minutes, a huge jump from the Mini 4 Pro's 3-5-minute range. New vented motors and optimized propeller design are expected to help with cooling and flight stability, while improving power efficiency. The drone may also support USB-C PD fast charging up to 6.5W, allowing pilots to rapidly recharge and reduce downtime between flights. A Q-Sync for transmission for extended range of communication system is also expected to see a major upgrade with a Q-Sync for Plus. This would enable transmission distances of up to 30 kilometers, though the true value lies in its lower latency, more stable video feed, and stronger signal integrity, especially useful for commercial work or long-range creative shooting. Smarter storage and social-friendly feature. Mini 5 Pro might support up to 16 gigabytes of internal storage, providing a fallback if your microSD card isn't inserted. Expandable storage up to 512 gigabytes is also expected, ensuring uninterrupted 4K recording sessions. But the big standout, the gimbal is likely optimized for vertical shooting, perfect for content aimed at Instagram, TikTok, or mobile-first audiences. There's even speculation about onboard audio recording, allowing ambient sounds or real-time narration to be captured with your visuals, a major win for creators on the go. Advanced AI and subject tracking. DJI is also reportedly enhancing Active Track 360, making subject following more fluid and intelligent. Expect better target reacquisition, smoother flight path adjustments, and dynamic framing even in crowded or obstructed environments. This evolution of tracking AI brings cinematic creativity to solo shooters and small teams. Pricing and market positioning. According to several leaks, the DJI Mini 5 Pro will likely retail between $850 and $950 US. While not budget territory, it's competitively priced considering the rumored spec sheet. If DJI does include LiDAR, a 1-inch sensor, long battery life, and pro-grade tracking systems, this model will absolutely justify its cost within the premium lightweight drone segment. Why this drone could redefine the industry. What sets the DJI Mini 5 Pro apart is its blend of accessibility and professional capability. Sub 250 grams weight for registration-free operation, full 360 obstacle sensing, possibly with LiDAR precision large 1-inch sensor for true cinematic quality vertical video support. With onboard audio, extended flight time with rapid USB-C PD charging, guy-powered tracking modes, and reliable long-range transmission for vloggers, filmmakers, travelers, and aerial photographers who value compact design without compromising on features. This drone may represent a new gold standard. Final thoughts. Awaiting official confirmation. While none of these details are confirmed by DJI, the combination of FCC listings, insider reports, and supply chain insights strongly points to a real and imminent launch. With DJI's history of innovation and consistency, we're likely just days away from the full reveal.